Okay, so in this session we will discuss about how to export the data from MySQL to Excel sheet, and similarly how to export the data from MongoDB to Excel sheet, and how to import the data from Excel sheet to MySQL and MongoDB. Okay, so here today is 8. So first of all, these are the procedure steps for doing this task. First, we will see how to export the Excel sheet. How to export the data from MySQL to Excel sheet. Okay, so same process we will follow for MongoDB also. Okay, so first of all, we have to create the workbook and convert that JSON array to worksheet. So from DB in Node.js, we will get the response as JSON array. Okay, we all know that. So after getting the response from DB, we have to convert that response to worksheet response. So that format is different. So what will be the method for converting the JSON array to worksheet? We will see. And append that worksheet name into the workbook which we have created earlier. After this, we will do the write operation. Okay, so first of all, this is the our Node API. And here I am going to MySQL. Okay. Router.post export Excel and request response. And here, first of all, we need to call the store procedure. So for that store procedure, I am using get transfer emp data, which will not have any parameters. Okay, so let call be equal to before that try catch is required. So I'm just taking the try catch of previous method. And so procedure name call get procedure and so db pool dot query of call sp and error result. After this, if any error comes, then it will go to the error block. After this, if there is no error, then we have to take the response from DB result of 0. Okay, and again here we have to write the code. First step is create the new workbook. Okay, so for these Excel sheet operations, I am importing one file. I am importing one npm Excel SX. There are so many npms will be there for this Excel sheet operation. I am using this npm. So here let workbook means Excel sheet. So Excel and here npm I excelx and and go to the package.json. So it will be installed, and here XLSX dot in this utils, and here there is one method create series book underscore new. So this will create one workbook. After this, see, this is the first step, and I'm copying all this. And second step is convert the response which will be in JSON array to worksheet. Okay, so here let worksheet, I'm declaring one variable worksheet xlx dot utils dot JSN to see. This is the method name. Okay, so this method converts an array of JS objects. So array of JS objects means response, okay, to a worksheet. And here you just pass a response. Then second step is completed. And coming to the third step, appending a worksheet, that means this worksheet to a workbook. Okay, so here xlx dot utils dot book. See, here one method is there, book append sheet. So append a worksheet to a workbook. Okay, so this will accept parameters like what we have created earlier, workbook and worksheet, and give the worksheet name. Okay, so worksheet name means, see, sheet 1, this is the worksheet name. Sheet 2, this is the another worksheet name. So these are the sheets, page nation, this is the sheet name. So workbook name means, see this, Node.js course contents. This is the workbook name. That thing we will give next step. So attempts to write to a file. So here xlx dot write file method is there, and here attempts to write workbook data to file. So here three names. So workbook, file name, okay, three parameters. So first one is workbook, comma, second one is worksheet, comma, third one is, sorry, there are only two parameters, data, workbook name and file name. So file name, that means destination path. So here test is there. Okay, so this is the destination path which I am going to display the DB response in Excel sheet. So I'm going to copy this and here paste it, and I'm going to create the Excel sheet with employee.xlsx. Okay, so as we know that we need to give one more backslash. Okay, And after returning to the Excel sheet, we need to give the response in Postman. So new API response of 200 and success, and here response. Okay, so now we will check it. Oh shit. So this employee Excel sheet will be created. In that Excel sheet, EMP sheet name will be created. So before that, you just check what type of data this procedure is returning. Already it is there. So this is the DB response, and copy this name. This is the URL for MySQL, and export Excel. Oh shit. See, I have written this entire API in MongoDB controller. So simple, copy and paste it. Again execute it. So here this one also I need to use here. Now execute it. Now, so success. Now we will check it. See here Excel sheet will be created, and observe this. This is the response comes from the DB, and this is EMP is the sheet name. Excel sheet name is employee. Okay, and one more thing, I want to change the, after getting the response from the DB, I want to change this Excel sheet column names. So how do you change the column names? That thing you come to know by using debugging only. Okay, so here I am putting debug breakpoints. See, these breakpoints are what will happen. Okay, connected, and go to here. See, in this, at this point worksheet, you have one array. In this worksheet, you have array. In that array, for A1 object, we are having employee number as a column name for the key name of V. And observe this, for B1, under the B1 object with the key name of V, E name is there. Okay, and see this. C1 object V key is there, and that key contains sal column. Okay, that means worksheet dot A1 dot V equal to whatever you want, you can give. Worksheet dot B1 dot V equal to, you can give any employee name column. Okay, and worksheet dot C1 dot V equal to, you can give the salary related column. Okay, so I am writing this. Worksheet dot and A1 dot V equal to, I am giving EMP number, and worksheet dot B1 dot V equal to, I am giving EMP name. Worksheet dot C1 dot V equal to, I am giving salary. Okay, now execute it. Resource busy or locked. That means we have opened this Excel sheet. That's why it is getting error. So your resource is busy or locked. Okay. And if you want to delete, you can delete it. Otherwise, you can keep it same. So send it and go to this folder. See. So earlier old data is gone. Okay. And EMP number, EMP name, salary. Okay. So this is the way to write the API for exporting the data into Excel sheet from MySQL.